Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm going to show you now how you can overlay your green screen video on top of the video in DaVinci Resolve and get rid of the green effect at the background, so it just shows the subscribe button or whatever image slash video you're using will appear without the green background. So let's get into it, right? So as you've seen, it just shows a green background over the top of the video, which is not the effect we're after. We need to go under the Fusion tab here after we have that selected the video that has the green screen on. Going to right click over the media in one node, and we're going to rename it. We don't need any of the other options here. You don't actually have to rename it, it's just a force of habit, so I'm going to rename it here, and we're going to call it subscribe button because that's what it is, and we're going to click OK. Once you have done that, it will rename it for you, and you're going to click shift and spacebar. This little box will pop up. You can select a tool and you can scroll down to Delta Kia, or you can just search it in the search box at the bottom. Very simple to find. Once you've found Delta Kia, which is here, but let me just show you by search. You have to click in the box. There we go. If we just type in key, it will appear. There we go, and we click add. Now we want to go to the right where it says background color. Click on that little select tool picker, color picker, and drag it over the top of the green background. It is that simple, guys. You just drag it over. You can't click it and then click on the green background. You have to drag it and slide it. But now you can see in the video it just comes up with the subscribe button, which is perfect, just what we wanted, right? We can view it again. It's perfect, it works just how we like. But let me just show you. If we go back into the Fusion tab and we change that color to white, the green background will reappear, and now if we go back to cut, it will appear right. So that is how to get it back if you want to get it back, but obviously you probably don't want to get it back, so you want to drag the slider tool over the cross of this green background, and bam, it works. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.